Hey, check out this 3,300 piece set. Now I'm gonna take a look and see what to expect from this set. Let's take a look here. Wow, there are a lot of pieces. Let's take a look at the instruction manual, just kind of look for clarity. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so it's pretty clear, large instruction manual. So that's great. The bags are also clearly labeled as to which you need to start on first. So here's number one. And then this is going to be the build set. So these are micro blocks. These aren't like Legos. They're much smaller. And so you can see this is a 3,300 set, but it doesn't take up that much space. As you can see, this is my hand. Now, I believe the set also comes with a music box that you can plug in. So it will play some music whenever it's completed. But I can't wait to start on this. But this is going to be a really big project. I have seen reviews where this will take up to 26 hours to build. And so it's going to be a really big project. This is just an unboxing, so stay tuned for the final result. Hope you found this helpful and have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.